Hello everybody, I'm Luis and let's talk about Revit and group edit options or panel that's not showing inside Revit. Here is the issue. If I create just a wall here and create a group, yep, let's create that group and now I want to edit the group, yeah. And I don't have the option here to save the group or close or do something else. Yeah, just doesn't have anything. The issue is that I have two screens in my computer, and if by default that options that should appear here is floating, and usually is floating in the other screen. Yeah, if not appear, in my case I already messing and the other screen, here's it, and I can put in the place that should be, and if I finish that and edit again, should appear in here, and I can move this to another screen, open that, and should be in the place that is already in that. If I close and open my Revit, that would remember where I put that panel. So yeah, and this is an issue for all the versions. And if I go in this one, I can do the same, version 23, yeah. Can create a group and let's click to edit the group. If it is not showing in the other screen, what you can do is let's press Ctrl Z, that roll back that edit group options, and I'm gonna move my my Revit to the other screen. I'm gonna press to edit the group, and now the panel should appear. Let's move in that, and I can place in here. That should be in that. So let's finish that, and the next time I edit a group should appear in the place that should be. I don't know why it's floating, but yeah, I'm gonna report this to Autodesk, Revit anyway, and try to force, I don't know, that panel to be in that place. I don't know. That makes more sense to me. At least every time I change something, the option appearing here, I guess. So anyway, that's it for this video. If you like that, give a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and see you. Bye bye.